Alright, so I've just been out for a hoon on the R1 and noticed something not quite working right. What should I say, my friend Spud, who was obviously behind me, he noticed. You have a look there. That blinker's working. One of these cheap Chinese ones that I fit in the back is not. When I go to the other side, there we go. You can see that one's working there, and that one's working there. So when they do work, they kick ass, but obviously they're not working right now, so can't fix that. Looks like a success to me. That'll wrap it up for today. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and feel free to share it with other people you know. Thank you very much.